Welcome to TAPIN2ME Studios. I'm your guide and host. Today, we're decoding a phrase written over 4,000 years ago by Moses in Genesis chapter 17 verse 1, and it reads, "And when Abram was 90 years old and 9, the Lord appeared to Abram, and said unto him, I am the Almighty God." Grab your calculator or smartphone and follow along step by step. Hit the K key on your keyboard to pause when needed. And get ready to engage and make the Trinity smile. T equals 20. H equals 8. E equals 5. A equals 1. Al equals 12. M equals 13. I equals 9. G equals 7. H equals 8. T equals 20. Y equals 25. G equals 7. O equals 15. D equals 4. The numerical values have been added. Put 154 into time format. Put 114 into time format. Congratulations on successfully decoding the identity of the Almighty God. Jesus is the Almighty God. Walk before me, and be thou perfect.